This question is memory based question which has been asked in CSIR NET in mathematical science or statistics. Today, 28th December 23. Here the question is you have given two improper integration p lambda where 0 to 1 dx by 1 minus x whole to the power lambda and q lambda, and the question is which of the following are true. There exists lambda such that p lambda is convergent, q lambda is divergent. There exists lambda such that p lambda is divergent and q lambda is convergent, and both are convergent and both are divergent. So first we will recall some basic facts. Actually, this question has been asked from the improper integration in real analysis. So here the fact is, if we take the integration a to infinity 1 by x to the power lambda dx, so this improper integration is convergent if lambda greater than 1, and it is divergent if lambda less equals to 1. The first fact. And the other improper integration a to b 1 by b minus x whole to the power lambda dx, this integration is convergent if lambda less than 1 and divergent if lambda greater than equals to 1. So just by memorizing these two simple facts, we can solve this problem easily. So here the first option is, you have asked the first option, there is lambda such that p lambda is convergent and q lambda is divergent. So here the q lambda is here. This is basically 1 to lambda dx by x to the power lambda. Just think about p lambda is here. This is integration 0 to 1. A is 0, b equals to 1, 1 by 1 minus x whole to the power lambda dx. So this integration is convergent if lambda greater than 1 and divergent if lambda less than equals to 1. It is convergent if lambda less than 1 and divergent if lambda greater than equals to 1. Now the first option, there is lambda such that p lambda is convergent and q lambda is divergent. Take lambda equals to half, say, or 0 or half. So in that case, p lambda is convergent and q lambda is divergent. So obviously this option is correct. There exists lambda such that p lambda is divergent and q lambda is convergent. So take lambda equals to 2. Say in that case p lambda is divergent, lambda equals to 2 because lambda greater than equals to 1, and q lambda is convergent. So here you will take when lambda greater than 1, so in that case p lambda is divergent and q lambda is convergent. And if lambda less than 1, so both are basically lambda less than 1. So in that case q lambda is divergent and p lambda is convergent. So this case is, you can't find out any lambda where both are convergent. But if you take lambda equals to 1, in that case q lambda and p lambda both are divergent. So this option is correct. So A, B, and D are correct, while C is false. So these are true options.